We use coconut milk to cook in the island, but I don't put coconut milk in it because I don't want the beans to turn bad fast, because when you put coconut milk in a food, the food cannot stay more than 2 days. It will turn bad fast. So what I'm gonna do, I will put coconut oil instead to give it the taste of real coconut, right? We're gonna do that. You see my thing is working. So normally once this thing is like hot, it's supposed to come out in it. You see. So what we're gonna do next, let me fix that thing because it's going all over. So we're gonna put this thing, what we call Maggi. You can get this thing anywhere that you want. In Publix, in Walmart, anywhere that they sell food. So we're gonna just let it, but don't forget to keep mixing it because this thing is kind of it's not dry, it's wet, so it will not stay in one side. And I'm gonna put what we call full season. Let's just full season. I love this thing, it gives it good taste, right? So we're gonna let the beans boil. Some people they put butter, and if I had thyme, parsley, and also green pepper, just let it boil in it without breaking it, just to get the taste. But I don't have that, so I'm gonna let it boil like this. Let me show you if you can see. I'm gonna show you the result. We're gonna mix it. Let it. So the beans is finished. As you can see, now it's very thick. Let me show you something. See, it's super thick.
I'm a baby crawling.
It's done. So we're going to get some, and we're gonna eat some.
I'm sitting on a ride.
And you're going to see how tasty it is, right? See how, I don't know if you can see how thick it becomes. So we got a full meal from home. Let's try to eat. Bon appetit.
Yeah, I'm going to swoop you.
It's yummy. Yummy. And not because I made it, because it's truly yummy.